whenever it has to happen, it will happen. When I spoke about scrapping of more than 15-year-old vehicles, it is a central government policy. It is a mandate and means instructions given by the center that the states have to follow. So it mandates us scrapping 15 year and more than that which vehicles are there. To start with, they have asked the state government to replace its vehicles which are more than 15 years old. So we are not doing something exceptional. I know the practical difficulties involved in this entire process. It will take some time to implement, but nevertheless, we have to make a beginning somewhere. That's the whole thing. At around 8 o'clock, he is meeting all the different associations connected with industry, all stakeholders of industry, whether it is Goa Chamber of Commerce, whether it is Confederation of Indian Industry, whether it is Association, whether it is all other organizations which work to build industry. In fact, he will be interacting with them, taking questions, and how to increase the industrial footprint, how to increase commerce actually happening to this industry by getting environment friendly industry to get people to invest. That will be on the table and for discussions by him.